Hello guys and welcome to Tech Guru Academy, and in this video I will show you how to move your website to HTTP version to HTTPS version in Google Search Console. So this video is all about if you have just installed the SSL version and you wanted to just update your Search Console property to HTTP to HTTPS version. So how do we do that? Let me just show you. It's HTTPS, and in my Search Console it's just HTTP version. So in this video we will learn how to just update that. So in order to do that, there are few things that you need to keep in mind. The first thing is that you just need to create another property with the HTTPS secure version, okay, and then you have to just create a redirect from non-secure version to the secure version, okay. And also if you are using a Google Analytics, and you need to update it here also. So we'll do that step by step. I'm assuming you are already logged into your WordPress website, and you should copy the URL and click on add property on your Google Webmaster tool or Search Console in order to add a new property, which is secure version of your website where you just install SSL. So after doing this, click on add. Okay, property added. So they didn't ask me for the verification, so I'll do that. Actually I did before that, so I'll just for you guys, I'll just make sure to do it again for you, so you can so by the way, if you are guys using a Yoast SEO plugin, it's I'll show you the really simple version. So just click on the HTML tag here and copy the whole code that you will get, and go to your Yoast SEO and then go to general. I'm showing the step that I just follow. Okay, then go to SEO, Yoast SEO general, and then select the master tool, and here you just need to paste the code here, and make sure to just delete all these things. Just paste all this code only. Okay, and just click on save changes. And this is how you just add a property really simply. And also you can use other options as well, and just you need to click verify here. And it's done, as you can see. Congratulations. So another thing that I would like to do is just go to my secure version and add a sitemap, so Google can easily crawl my website fastly. To see, already did that, but I'll show you how to do it. So basically go to your website. Let me just show you like this. Go to your website, and you know how to do this, right? If you don't, then follow the same steps. Okay, here is my sitemap link. Now I'll go back to the Search Console and add here also. So I already submitted just 5 minutes ago. So all you need to do is click submit. I'll just do that for you and show you how it's done. And it's submit, and just click on this refresh page here, and it's done, I guess. Yeah, it's done. It's pending right now, but it will be crawled by the Google bot, so no worry. Let's go to the Google Analytics and update the secure version here also. So all you need to do is just select the HTTPS version, secure version. Okay, and click scroll down and click on save changes here. And now let's see how to create a redirect from the non-secure version to the secure version. So guys, now in order to create a redirect from non-secure version to the secure version, just go to settings and general, and here make sure you have the HTTPS version in both fields, WordPress URL and site URL. and just save changes. Click on save changes button, and yeah, that's it. That's how you do the move your website to HTTP version from non-secure version to secure HTTPS version in Google Search Console. So I hope you like this video, this tutorial. If you do, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, and for the latest update, make sure to hit the bell icon also next to the subscribe button, so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Thank you.